Did this 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Float. There's a nut under there and it leaks. Okay. So 4 years later, we're gonna puddle on the floor, leaking again. Take that bottom cover off, one on one, the little clippy doos comes off. Get the stall plate, you see it dripping from here. There's my finger. Somewhere over here, where is it? Over here. Down. So again, you're gonna take this little plastic cover off, the clips. Little clips, you can pull that cover down. We're gonna try it. And take the plunger out and tighten it up. Should be able to. Where was it? Over here. See if you remember how the thing came apart. I think it was those two squeeze tabs. Yep, two squeeze tabs. Whoops. Then this can come out. You can just take that part out. That went. And then this you pull down. And you have to get it out somehow. You see water coming out of it right now. That's the issue. Unless there's something else that failed. And oh, there goes my light. Yeah. How do we get this down? We pulled it. And we gotta get it out of the groove. There we go. Bend it up out of the groove. Oops, can't really show. There's a little groove. You pull it out and up. Then John, get this over here. See, it's up now. You can pull it out. There's the other end. There's the nut. There's no seal, I don't think, inside of here. Like in there. No. Whoa! Don't do that. Well, you can do that. Optional. Yeah, it's pretty loose. I'm just gonna take it all apart like we did last time. Clean the gunk up. You could double washer it too if you wanted to. Some people do that. Washer though on the bottom. And maybe later. Oh, the gasket still looks okay. It won't pistol over the floor. Alright, that's still okay. We're just gonna wipe it. Oh, we didn't say what we're working on. It's a Whirlpool, of course. There's a leak from the pump. The pump goes bad. Plastic parts break. That leaks over there too. You can tighten those up. I've had it leak. See that little inlet jet? It's a nut. You see the square on? Yeah, the six-sided thing. There's a nut on it. But there we go. Just tighten it up. Some people say they were able to tighten it up just yanking up on it. I don't know. I had this video out for a while. Very long time. Let's see how we're looking on the bottom. We're still square. I hope so. We need the light back. Yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty even. Ouch, don't do that. I got head trauma because God's telling me to stop fixing things that aren't mine. And I don't know how tight we're gonna go, but fairly tight. I had parts ones of these too. I junked all the units. I had plenty of float switches. Never saved any. Never saved that, you know. But anyway, let me tighten this up, and we can get this thing going. Hopefully it doesn't leak next time we run it. About every 4-something years, it seems. We go fairly tight on it this time. Oh, this is plastic. That's probably good there. Don't mind my hand. My hand's messed up. I actually messed up my hand on I think it was a dishwasher as well. I'm rounding this thing. Oh, that should be okay. And then, I'm just going to put one more quarter turn on it, because I don't want to do it again. There we go. Snap. Much cleaner than last time. So you take care of things better. Yeah, you can just push that back down and it locks it into place. That's just a float. It tells when the water to turn off. And then you gotta put the push rod thing back on. And then the cover. And hopefully we won't have a water leak. Luckily it was only this and not the other thing. Probably. Oh shit, the cover closed. That will probably leak next week. Knowing this fine machine. If you keep fixing it though, I guess it keeps on working. Oh man, we kind of I don't even like the way I had this thing. I might have to adjust the way I had it. Yeah, I don't like the way this thing is. I think I might have it too tight now. Yeah. So let me do my final adjustment. If you were done, you would just that's it, push up, there we go. And this thing goes like this. Other way. It's hard to see. If you want to take your whole unit out, you can. But yeah, my switch is just not in the correct spot right now. So I'm going to fix it. There's the orientation of the switch. Flat spot. Alright. Too long it's taken. 7 minutes, almost live. I'm done already. Damn leak. I readjusted it. Snap back on. It was too far kicked back to the metal. I mean, it doesn't matter. This thing probably closed on me again. Did it? Nope. Now we're good. Yeah, it's still kind of hitting on it. I don't even care. Alright. We'll try this though. Need more light, I know. Should we run on a test cycle? I don't know. Let's see if we got any dishes. And hopefully it doesn't leak right when the washer would fill up. It would leak. That should be okay. No wire contact. I don't know. I hate this dishwasher. It leaks right on top of the electrical, which is for more LOL. Okay, let's give it one final look over here. I like the gasket and everything. I don't know. Hopefully that's okay. If not, I have plenty of parts units, but I threw them away. Get one out of the junkyard. Alright. That's how you do it though when you get a stupid leak. It's going to be coming from this side. The other leak is the pump. And this video is way too long. Yeah, the pump's down there. It'll leak water and come out. Alright, adios.